Hello everyone, this is me Elias and today I'm here with a new video regarding Google Ads Display Network tutorial. Yes, so before I begin my tutorial in which I will show you how you can set a scratch campaign on Google Ads Display Network, let me explain you first on what exactly Google Ads Display Network is. You must know about Google Ads. In case if you don't know yet, let me repeat it again. Google Ads is basically a online advertising platform by Google through which you can advertise on Google and Google partner properties using Google AdSense. Like there are many sites available which are using Google Ads on their website to earn income, and they are using the program which is known as AdSense. If you want to earn from ads, you can use Google AdSense, and if you want to advertise on those places, you can use Google Ads. So with Google Ads, Google has two prime things: Google Search Network and Google Display Network. So today the video is about Google Search Network, yes. And what exactly is Google? Today the video is about Google Display Network. So what exactly Google Display Network is? Google Display Network is actually consists of properties like Gmail, YouTube, and partner properties where people are using Google AdSense to display ads on their website, and you can advertise through Google Ads on those websites for your brand, for your product, service, or whatever your advertising objectives are. Let me show you first on an example of Google Display Ads, and then I will show you further. Okay, so let's say let me open a website which I usually most of the time open with you guys. So let me open in fact two websites, and meanwhile they are opening, let me show you a Gmail ads as well. Okay, you can see that this is a website, and you can see these are Google ads, and they are also using ads on other places. For instance, this is an ad by Google. If I remove change my, you can see the URL googleadservices.com. You can see it's from here. So even these are the ads from Google Ad Services. So in case if you want to advertise on websites like these, you have to use Google Display Network. Even on websites like these, I mean, just showing you one example, there are many websites available. Even this is a Google ad. It's a matchmaking ad, but you can use the Google ads to advertise on these websites, and then you can see, you don't have to see my inbox, but rather, let's say if I have to show you a guest post, usually there is a Gmail ad coming over there, but in case if it's not coming right now, don't worry. You can see Qatar Airways ad, and this is another ad from Google Display Network, and you can see these ads. You can advertise on Google Gmail inbox as well using these. So let's come back to my slides which I have prepared for you. So the question is, what is display network? I have already told you. You don't need further definition. And this is a kind of example of a YouTube ads. On YouTube, you can also advertising using Google Display Network. I have a dedicated video on how you can run YouTube ads. In case if you haven't seen, it's available in my profile playlist with the name of Google Ads tutorial, and you can find it over here. You can see YouTube ads over as well. And now comes to the Google Display Network ads, and you can see the ads over here on this website. You can advertise text based, or you can advertise on video based. The famous formats which I personally like, if you ask me, I personally like are in case I do even remember them, is 468 by 60, 728 by 90, 336 by 280, 300 by 250, 160 into 600, and 728 by 90. These are the very famous and very common image formats to advertise on Google Display Network. Yeah, you can see they were exactly like, okay, I just added 160 by 600, but I forgot 120 to 600. It's okay. One mistake is acceptable. Okay, now let's move on the interesting part, and where I will show you how you can create your own Google Display Network campaign. So you have to stay with me. Let's get started on this. Okay, guys, you don't have to go anywhere because in this video, I'm right now. I'm going to start and create a step-by-step ad on Google Display Network. And this is a Google dashboard. You can see this is a Prime dashboard. This is how it looks like. You can see one of the sample ad, keywords, and uh, campaign summary of how your campaigns are performing, calls out of missing. Okay, okay. We are going to press this button. This is our new campaign button. Just select this new campaign. Yes, and then you can see multiple options over here. These are basically campaign goals. With some goals, you have an option of creating Google search ad and Google display ad. With some goals, you can only create either a Google search ad or a Google display ad. So let's say if I have select the sales option, you can see I've been given search, performance max, display, shopping, um, and video discovery. Let's say if I select the leads option, I'm being okay. I have to select my goal over here because that will be lead oriented. If I select the website traffic, again I have been given the option of search, performance max, display, shopping. If I just select product and brand consideration, again I have to select. I have a video option available over here. In branded awareness, again you have the option of Google Display Network. You see Google Display Video, because people do branding with the video ads, because an image says 1000 words. You must have heard about it. So it is more like creating a connection or a bonding with the visitors using images, so that people whenever see your color combination, they start remembering, yeah, I remember this brand, I remember this brand. So which is why so let's say if I select this one and I have selected, let's say, my site. For instance, if I want to advertise my website, I select over here, and now here I have to select. This is a display campaign, and here I am going to select my countries where I would like to advertise. For instance, if I select United States and Canada, and the options are, you can target presence or interest presence. Okay, ideally, in case if you're a navy, you don't have to change anything. It's fine with it over here. You can select languages. If you want to select or target a particular language, you can target over here. And then moving on, in case if you are trying multiple ads, you can do ad is better for you and which ad is not good for you. So you can select from here, and then you can select devices. In case if you wanna target or show your ad on specific devices, you can select from here. Let's say I do not want my ads to be shown, or in case if I want to select specific operating systems, device models. In case if I want to advertise people who are using a particular internet company, I can select from over here as well. And in case if I want to run my ad from specific dates, I can select start and end. And if I'm tracking conversions, I'm going to select from over here regarding the conversions, and then I will move on to the next part. And the next part is more about uh, budgeting and how much amount I am going to spend. Here I am going to select budget. For instance, if I want to say I want to advertise with $50 of budget, and then it will come to the next part, and that is the bidding options. You can select on viewable impressions, where viewable impressions you are going to be charged basis on either even you someone clicks on your ad or not, you will still be charged. So that is an option available on brand awareness campaign. And in case if you have to select a manual strategy, we can go with this and select a bidding strategy, maximize conversion, or manual CPC, where manual CPC is where you are going to pay for each click. uh, Whenever someone clicks on your ad, only you will be charged over, then otherwise you won't be charged. Some people go with the maximize conversions, but maximize conversions only work when you have a sufficient data regarding conversions, or when conversions are already being done on your campaign, and Google understands what kind of audience gets converted for you, then you can run maximize conversions. Otherwise, there is no point of running. And in case if you want maximum clicks, you, no matter what you are, you have a sole target of branding, and you just want to see everyone to see your ad, and you want visitors coming on your website, then select this maximize clicks. Otherwise, I do not recommend going with it. But again, it's your own personal preference. Let's say we go with the manual CPC and we select enhanced CPC. Enhanced CPC, in case if you don't know, is Google may spend more than 30% of your targeted bidding in case if Google thinks that this visitor might get convert for you. So in case if Google thinks like this visitor is actually a customer who can buy this thing, then they will go with the enhanced CPC. Otherwise, they won't exceed your targeted CPC. Again, it's an optional thing. You can select or deselect from here as well. Okay. So let's say if I select over here and I select $1.2, and then I come to the targeting part. Now, targeting part is most interesting part over here because you have multiple options to target. Unlike with the Google search, where the prime targeting strategy is with the keyword intent, here you have multiple options to target. You can see that because we haven't yet targeted anything, we have a impression power of 10 billion plus. Now we are going to add targeting. Okay. I can target basis on audience segment. I can target basis on demographic. Like I can target people basis on age, gender, parental status, or household income. I can target basis on keywords. I can target basis on topics. I can target basis on placements. Placement means let's say if I want to my ad to be shown on a particular website, that's it. I just want my ad to be shown on this website. Otherwise, I do not want my ad to be shown. You can have multiple variables, multiple rules. Like with this keyword, if being written on this website only, then my ad will be shown. Then I'm going to select keyword plus placement because I'm targeting two options, and that is I want my ad to be shown on that specific keyword only when it appears on this website. Then I'm going to select this one. I can select multiple variables. For instance, if I select target like digital marketing and blogging, and let's say my next will be now I want let's say sorry, it's taking too much time. I can manually even select, or I can even write it over here. So make things easy. Let me write it over here. Like this was the website, and I have added one placement. Okay. Now on this website, the ad will be shown only whenever these words are appear on the website. Again, you have multiple options to select in display network. Now it's come to the images part. Google by default has scrapped some images from my website to in case if I want to use this website, and they have even created a sample ad for me like how to start freelancing based on my recent articles. I can select my name over here, and my name is Ali Raza Marketing, which is my YouTube channel name. And then I can select images in case if I want to again I have an option. I can select 1, 2, or I can even upload my own asset. So let's go with the default one. Okay, now come to the logo part. Okay, they have by default scrapped some information from my website, but I can even manually upload my logo as well, upload from my computer. Okay, this is my logo. Okay, you can see okay, because it is a slightly small and I have to create a bigger portion, so let's go with this one. My face is a logo. Okay, cool. Start today and earn online. more the headlines, better the visibility and audience interest. You can also look on the long headline over here, the descriptions. I'm not changing anything because I just want to show you how does it work. Okay, now an ad is created. Now you have to go with the next. And now it is checking for errors. Okay, now let's review again what we have done. We have created a campaign which is a brand awareness and reach campaign. Our objective is campaign display network because we are going to try on display network right now. Objective final URL where we have to land our visitor is this. The countries we have selected: United States and Canada. Languages, our budget, bidding option, our CPC. We are targeting through two ways. You can use either one of the way. There are 4 ways available. So we are targeting keyword as well as placement. In case if you do not want your website, in case if you have to remove a website from placement, you can do it as well. But that only applies when you are targeting keyword and you do not have any limited placement. In case if I remove this, and I can have a negative placement over here added, so that in case if this keyword appears on this website, I do not want my ad to be shown on this website because this website visitors doesn't convert well. I can have negative placement for that as well. So after that, responsive display ad. Okay, we have ad credit as well. Ideal strategy is to have a conversion tracking on as well, and I have a video where I have discussed in detail on how you can create your own conversion tracking. And once you are done with this, you have to just select this publish campaign button, and here you go, your campaign is uploaded and created. So this was easy on how you can create your own Google display network campaign. For those who don't know, that I am a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also Google Ads display certified advertising professional. I'm also Google Ads shopping certified professional, search professional, and my company is Google Partner Company. And me and my team can help you with creating targeted Google Ads campaign for your business, even Facebook campaigns as well. And of course, we can help you with SEO as well. So I hope you like the video. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask in the comments box. I will be looking forward for your comment in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. With this, I like to end this video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you and bye bye.